To create a viral form, you would go to Forms, All Forms, and click on Add. Select Viral Form, give it a name, such as Member Referral Form. Spelling sometimes helps. And say Add. Style sheet, general.css is sufficient. Look and feel that we have in the system is coffee cup, and I might want to not take more than 5 referrals at any stage, the maximum being 10 that we can choose. The pre-submit tab would have a little message at the top of the form. That would typically be a message to put at the top of the form. The post-submit link specifies what shows after that form has been submitted. This would be an example of a message on post-submit tab. Default values, in other words, how should that record be tagged when it comes into the database. Contact status might just be interested, and you can specifically allocate it to a user. Security settings not necessary on this form, and if a user is logged in other words, a logged in user adding this person as a referral, the following rules should apply. We're not going to specify anything here because these referrals will always come from someone who is not logged in, someone who will be clicking on a link in an email. If I click on update, this form is created. And if I preview the form, you'll see that this is just the top of the form. There's no actual fields in it as yet. I now need to add fields. And this one we're going to ask, the first name must be there obviously. We're going to ask for an email address. If we want to, we can ask for additional information from that particular person or about that the person being referred. Not necessary in this particular case. If I preview the form now, that's what it will show up as. On second thought, let's add a surname in there. And I click on edit and include, and then I say this field must display just below the first name field, and I click on update. I preview it again, it's a little bit more complete, and that's fine. Now we have a referral form in the system.